four-leaf clover to find the freshest catch in the sea. Just come down to Fisherman's Market Seafood Outlet. Where fishermen go
by the docks,
for
where the gulls
seafood.
all scream, where the salt bites hard and it scrapes your teeth. There's a painted sign in chip green glow. Fisherman's Market, where the diehards go. Live lobster slam in a sloshing crate. Fresh sea scallops on a paper plate. Fish fillet stacked like a treasure hoard. Oysters grinning on a bed of sword like shells.